Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing some courses related to career development, personal development, software tutorials, and courses related to accounting. And there are a few more useful courses like how to make money online and interview preparation skills. So now let's see the courses. First one is how to make passive income with Bitcoin lending. You have 1 hour of on-demand video for this course, 2 articles and 1 downloadable resource. More than 39,000 students have enrolled in this course. It has a very good rating of 4.0 and you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. Now let's move on to the next course. This is Job Interview Skills Training course. This is one of the best free course in Udemy. It has a very good rating of 4.5. More than 132,000 students have enrolled in this course. You have 1 hour 34 minutes of on-demand video for this course. And here it is what you'll be learning in this course. You'll be learning about what to do before you have an interview scheduled, and you'll be learning about what are those 15 most important interview questions and how to answer them, and how to follow up after an interview, and how to dress for an interview. And you'll be learning about a lot more things in this course. It is one of the best course in Udemy. Let's move on to the next course. How to invest into the stock market. You have 30 minutes of on-demand video for this course, and you have to enroll in before 2 days to get this course for free. You will be learning about long-term versus short-term investing strategies, and a lot more things. You will also be learning about investing tools and a lot more. Let's move on to the next one. Personal budgeting and finance, best wallet money tracking. You have 2.5 hours of on-demand video for this course, and you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. You will be learning about a lot of things in this course, including how to create your own funds and how to keep track of your finance, and how to work with Google Forms and a lot of functions and formulas in Google. So you'll be learning about a lot of things in this course also. Next one is QuickBooks Desktop job costing. More than 10,000 students have enrolled in this course. You have 10.5 hours of on-demand video for this course, and you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. You will be learning about 4 methods to run a full job costing system in QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an accounting software, so you'll be learning about that in this course. Next one is also related to QuickBooks, but this one is QuickBooks Online, not-for-profit organization. It has a very good rating of 4.9, and you have 10 hours of on-demand video for this course, and you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. Next one is Governmental Accounting 100. 17,765 students have enrolled in this course so far. You have 18 hours of on-demand video and 54 downloadable resources for this course, and you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. Next one is Audit Financial Statement. 26,045 students have enrolled in this course. It is one of the best-selling course in Udemy, and you have 18.5 hours of on-demand video for this course and 98 downloadable resources, but you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. Next one is Not-for-profit Accounting. You have 19 hours of on-demand video for this course, and 63 downloadable resources are also available for you in this course. More than 10,000 students have enrolled in this course, and you have 1 day left to get it for free. C Corporation Income Tax, Form 1120. You have 5.5 hours of on-demand video for this course and 1 day left to get it for free. Next one is Wave Accounting 2020. You have 5 hours of on-demand video for this course, and you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. It has a very good rating of 4.8. Next one is Advanced Financial Accounting. This is a new course updated in July 2020. You have 63 hours of on-demand video for this course, and 1 article and 137 downloadable resources are also available in this course, but you have to enroll in before 1 day to get this course for free. Accounting, Financial Accounting Total, Beginners to Advanced. More than 50,000 students have enrolled in this course. You have more than 100 hours of on-demand video for this course and 672 downloadable resources. It is one of the best courses in Udemy for learning about financial accounting, and you have 1 day left to get this course for free. And the last one is Make Money from Home, How to Build an Online Business. More than 2 lakh students have enrolled in this course. You have 11 hours of on-demand video for this course, and here it is what you will be learning in this course. You will be learning about how to make a website or start blog using WordPress on your own domain. And after that, how to build a 5,000 per month passive income website portfolio. So we have seen a lot of courses in this video related to accounting, QuickBooks, finance, and a lot more. We have seen 1 or 2 free courses in this video, and for those free courses you will not get a certificate, but for other courses, if you use the link in our description, you will surely get a certificate, but you have to enroll in before 1 or 2 days. We have given all the course link in description. Check it out. To get more information about free online courses and course answers, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also join with us on social media. We have given all our social media link in description. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.